Imagine this: the sun, our life-giving star, the blazing heart of our solar system, simply vanishes. No warning, no explosion, just gone. One moment it's flooding our world with warmth and light, and the next, total, unthinkable darkness. For all of human history, we've lived under the steady glow of our sun. But what if, in a cosmic blink, it disappeared? What happens to Earth, to every living creature, to you? Get ready, because the truth is more shocking than you could ever imagine. First, let's set the scene. The sun isn't just a bright dot in the sky. It's 109 times wider than Earth, over 1 million times our planet's volume. And it's the gravitational anchor for everything in our solar system. But here's the twist. It's also really, really far away, 93 million miles, or about 150 million kilometers. That means sunlight, traveling at the ultimate speed limit, 186,000 miles per second, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. So, if the sun disappeared right now, Earth would keep spinning happily in the sunlight, blissfully unaware, for 8 more minutes. Picture it. People walking their dogs, kids playing in the park, birds soaring overhead. For those precious last minutes, the world would feel utterly normal. Then, suddenly, as if someone hit a cosmic light switch, everything changes. The dazzling blue sky turns pitch black. Stars, not just a few, but thousands, burst into view. Even at noon, the moon, if it's up, no longer glows, because it only shines by reflecting the sun's light. It's not a sunset, not a solar eclipse. It is night, everywhere, forever, but the darkness is only the beginning. The sun is the engine of life on Earth. Over 99% of all life depends on it, directly through photosynthesis, or indirectly through the food chain. Without sunlight, plants stop making food. In days, they begin to die. Herbivores follow, and then the carnivores. Within weeks, Earth's entire ecosystem collapses. But that's just the start. Without the sun's warmth, the temperature plummets. In a single week, the planet's average surface temperature falls below minus 17 degrees Celsius, barely above 0 Fahrenheit. In a year, it's a bone-shattering minus 73 degrees Celsius, or minus 100 Fahrenheit. Oceans begin to freeze from the top down, trapping whatever's left alive beneath a growing lid of ice. Only the deepest ocean trenches, heated by the Earth's core, remain liquid. Down there, some hardy microbes, and maybe a few weird creatures, might cling to life. For the rest, the surface of Earth becomes an alien world, dark, frozen, and deadly. But there's another cosmic twist: gravity. The sun's massive pull keeps all the planets, including Earth, in a delicate, endless orbit. If the sun were to vanish, that gravity would vanish with it, instantly. Our planet, once locked in a graceful ellipse, would shoot off in a straight line at 107,000 kilometers per hour, about 66,000 miles per hour, into the black abyss of space. We'd leave the solar system behind, drifting through the Milky Way like a lost ship in a cosmic ocean. Day and night? Gone. Seasons? Finished. Even the moon's orbit would unravel, since it's the sun's gravity that helps keep it steady. Tides would be thrown into chaos. The solar system, as we know it, would dissolve. Could humanity survive this cosmic catastrophe? For most, the answer is no. But humans are nothing if not resourceful. With enough warning, maybe in science fiction, or with the help of a few genius minds, some might retreat underground. Deep beneath the surface, shielded from the freezing cold, powered by nuclear reactors or tapping into Earth's own geothermal heat, small groups could endure. Food would be grown in hydroponic farms, lit by artificial lamps. Cities would become bunkers. Time would be measured in heartbeats, not sunrises. But survival would be a race against time. Supplies would run out, systems would fail, and the psychological toll of endless night would be immense. Earth, our beautiful blue planet, would be a drifting, frozen tomb. If we wanted to last, we'd have to look to the stars. Imagine building spacecraft or launching missions to find refuge on distant moons. like Europa beneath its icy shell, or Titan, with its own mysterious chemistry. To survive the death of the sun, we'd have to become a spacefaring civilization, a leap that would define the future of humanity. But here's the good news: this nightmare can't actually happen. The sun isn't a magic trick ready to vanish. It's a stable, middle-aged star, about halfway through its 10 billion-year life. Astrophysicists have spent decades studying its life cycle, and the verdict is clear. Our sun will keep shining for another 5 billion years or so. When it does reach the end, it won't disappear. It'll swell into a red giant, engulfing Mercury and Venus, maybe even Earth, before shrinking down to a tiny white dwarf. But that's not for eons. By then, life on Earth will be long gone. Or maybe, just maybe, we'll be living among the stars. So, what if the sun disappeared? The answer is terrifying, awe-inspiring, and a little humbling. It's a reminder of just how thin the thread of life really is, how all of us, every plant, animal, and person, depend on that one distant star. But it's also a testament to the human spirit, our drive to survive, to explore, to reach for new worlds when our old ones fade away. Curious about more mind-blowing science? Stick with FactNova for weekly journeys into the wonders, mysteries, and secrets of our universe. If you love cosmic what-ifs, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because every Sunday, we bring you facts that will blow your mind and ignite your curiosity. The universe is full of surprises. Are you ready for the next one?